In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the concept of passive income has taken on a new dimension thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Imagine building an online business that generates revenue while you sleep, travel, or pursue other interests. This article will guide you through the process of creating a passive income stream through AI-generated niche websites, a modern approach that leverages cutting-edge technology to achieve financial freedom. Passive income, often referred to as money working for you, is the cornerstone of financial independence. It entails generating earnings with minimal day-to-day involvement. In the realm of AI-generated niche websites, this involves utilizing AI-powered tools and algorithms to automate various aspects of website creation, content generation, and monetization. Step 1. Identifying lucrative niches. The first step towards establishing a successful passive income stream involves identifying profitable niches. AI technology offers a strategic advantage by analyzing market trends, identifying keywords, and evaluating competition levels. This data-driven approach ensures that you select niches with high potential for attracting a targeted audience. Step 2. Effortless content generation. One of the most time-consuming aspects of running a website is creating high-quality content. This is where AI truly shines. With AI-generated content, you can produce engaging articles, blog posts, and product reviews without lifting a pen. AI algorithms can mimic human writing styles, ensuring that your website remains updated with fresh and relevant material, captivating your audience and enhancing search engine rankings. Step 3. Simplified website creation. Setting up a user-friendly and visually appealing website has never been easier thanks to AI-powered website builders. These platforms offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-designed templates, and customization options, eliminating the need for complex coding skills. With AI, you can have a professional-looking website up and running in a matter of hours. Step 4. Monetization strategies. Once your AI-generated niche website is live, it's time to capitalize on its potential for generating revenue. Monetization strategies include affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn commissions on sales, as well as integrating Google AdSense for ad placements. Additionally, sponsored content collaborations with relevant companies can provide an additional stream of income. The beauty of AI-generated content is that it continues to attract visitors and potential customers, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Step 5. Minimal ongoing maintenance. While AI does the heavy lifting, regular maintenance is essential for sustained success. Keep your website optimized for search engines by updating keywords and meta descriptions. Monitor website analytics to identify trends and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Regularly refreshing your content ensures that your website remains a valuable resource, keeping your audience engaged and attracting new visitors. Creating a passive income stream through AI-generated niche websites offers a revolutionary path to financial independence. By harnessing the power of AI for niche identification, content generation, website creation, and monetization, you can build a self-sustaining online business that generates revenue while affording you the flexibility to focus on other pursuits. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for creating passive income through AI are boundless, making now an opportune time to embark on this journey towards a brighter financial future.